Iran, a land where history whispers through 7,000 years of unbroken civilization. Home to nearly 93 million people in 2026. This is the Islamic Republic of Iran, heir to the ancient Persian Empire. From the towering peaks of Mount Damavand to the timeless ruins of Persepolis, Iran is a bridge between past empires and modern challenges. Today, we explore its enduring wonders, unique culture, and the spirit that defines this remarkable nation. Our journey begins over 2,500 years ago with the Achaemenid Empire, founded by Cyrus the Great. At its heart stood Persepolis, the ceremonial capital, a marvel of engineering and artistry that symbolized tolerance and grandeur. Here, kings received tribute from across 3 continents. The empire stretched from Egypt to India, one of history's largest. Today, these ruins stand as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reminding us of Persia's legacy of innovation in governance, roads, and human rights. Cyrus's cylinder is often called the world's first charter of rights. Iran now boasts 29 UNESCO sites, more than many nations, including stunning Islamic architecture in Isfahan. Iran's landscapes are as diverse as its history. Dominating the north is Mount Damavand, Asia's highest volcano, at over 5,600 meters, a sacred symbol in Persian mythology, often shrouded in snow and legends. But nature here faces threats too. The Asiatic cheetah, the world's rarest big cat, clings to survival only in Iran. Once widespread, recent 2026 surveys show a fragile but hopeful increase to around 27 known individuals in protected areas, thanks to dedicated conservation using camera traps and ranger patrols. This graceful predator embodies Iran's commitment to its wild heritage amid harsh deserts. Iran is the world's saffron capital producer of the precious red gold spice. Each delicate thread comes from crocus flowers hand-harvested in autumn, a labor of love that flavors Persian cuisine and symbolizes hospitality. Persian culture shines in Taarruf, the art of gracious offering and polite refusal, a dance of respect. In Isfahan's 𝐾𝐿 Square, one of the world's largest and most beautiful architecture, poetry and community blend seamlessly. Yet, body language surprises outsiders. A thumbs up is offensive here, while hospitality remains legendary. Iran is Persian, not Arab, its Indo-European language, Farsi. and distinct identity set it apart. Today, Iran ranks among the top globally for oil and holds the second largest natural gas reserves, fueling its economy, despite international pressures. The Persian solar Hijri calendar marks Nowruz, the ancient spring New Year celebrated with family, nature, and renewal on March 𝐈𝐫𝐚𝐧. But Iran navigates complex times. Recent economic strains and events have tested resilience, yet the people's creativity and pride endure from poetry to science, art to innovation. Iran is more than headlines. It is an eternal land of poets like Hafez and Rumi, of resilient people, breathtaking nature, and layers of history that continue to inspire the world. From Persepolis's ancient gates to Damavand's snowy summit, from saffron fields to the last Asiatic cheetahs, this is a civilization that has shaped humanity for millennia and still does. As the sun rises over this timeless land, one truth remains. Iran's story is far from over.